Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tevin from Tevin's Origami Instructions, and today I'd like to improve on my instructions for the origami crane, considering the preliminary base. That is just an inside out water pump base, and you need it to fold the crane. And when you had problems with the step of collapsing everything together, this is for you now. So for example, we take this square sheet and fold diagonally. I fold now with the wide side outside in both directions. Now the diagonals are belly folds. You can clearly see there are small bellies, and if I turn it over, the same folds are now called mountain folds because there's small mountains. Not too complicated. And now we fold parallel to the edges, straight through, in half, also in both directions. So, if you now lift it up, you can see that there is a small diamond shape if we hold it like this. And our goal for the preliminary base is to bring all those corners here of the square, all four here, together, and we just hold here, bring it together, and then make it flat. If that was too fast, don't worry, I'll show it again. So this is what we start with: mountain fold, belly in the middle, fold it in half along the belly fold, hold it here, bring it together like this, and then you have an X up here, and just bring two to the left, two to the right, bring them together, put it down. Now you have an open side up here and a closed tip down here. Another way of doing it is flattening the whole thing and just bringing down, in this case actually, each corner one by one. So pull down this corner, pull down this corner, and pull down the last corner and flatten it. And way number 4, last but not least, is you just grab on to each of the corners and bring them together like this and flatten directly. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.